They would build a beautiful 31-floor luxury condominium complex in the heart of South Padre Island, Texas. It would feature 147 condos, retailing at $2 million a pop. There'd be a gym, a spa, and multiple swimming pools. When it was done, Ocean Tower would be one of the tallest buildings in the Rio Grande Valley. Unfortunately, by 2008, developers had noticed cracks in the columns supporting the parking garage. They were so bad that they rendered the building unsafe to keep standing. All construction halted in May. Then, on December 13th of 2009, all 55,000 tons collapsed. The Ocean Tower dream was dead. Somebody messed up after the underground parking garage was built. They were supposed to use expandable clay on top of the garage to absorb the building's weight. Instead, they just put the tower on top of the garage. It also didn't help that they built the entire thing on sand. All that weight forced the structure's core to sink nearly 16 inches into the ground. Instead of coming clean, developers told investors that Ocean Tower would emerge stronger and safer than ever. They walked that. Jerry Jones, owner of the Dallas Cowboys, spent about $875 million to build the AT&T Stadium in the heart of Arlington, Texas. However, he still had an old stadium to deal with about 30 minutes away in Irving. You see, before Jerry World came into existence, the Cowboys used to play at Texas Stadium in Irving. However, the city had little use for a fully functional NFL stadium after Jerry moved the team. So, on April 11th of 2010, the Weir Brothers Demolition Company rigged it to blow. A helicopter flying overhead captured the entire thing. The entire job required 3,000 pounds of explosives. In case you're wondering, Jerry stripped as much memorabilia as possible from the old stadium. That included old seats, star-shaped signs, and pieces of the end zone. The entire demolition was sponsored by Kraft Foods as a marketing ploy for mac and cheese. They called it the Cheddar Explosion. After winning an essay contest, 11-year-old Casey Rogers had the honor of turning the demolition.